something. We're just building a house now. Now we got an iron sword, we got some boots. Now we just need to wait. Now we gotta survive the whole entire night. Okay, I see my bed right here. Now we got our bed. Now we gotta watch out for zombies, so they don't even kill us. Now we gotta kill some spiders. Okay, let's go back to the house. Now we gotta wait. Let's just kill a creeper so it doesn't ruin us. Okay, thank you for dying. Now, let's set up our bed. Now we just need to get some wood, which would be perfect. So, now we're just gonna have to do this and do that. I'm just gonna make sure that everybody stays out of my room. Because the last video that I made, everybody was in my room and I didn't like it because now I have to restart it. Okay. So I was doing a video, I had to restart it. Okay. So guys, I was wondering to let you know if you guys are ever wondering like how I was just gonna, never mind. Okay, let's put the bed down. Let's put the bed down over here. Put the chest right there. And that's kill the wolf. Now, what should we do next? We're just gonna flip-flop, flip-flop. I'm Steve right now. I'm gonna change my character. So, what should I be? I kind of want to be... So now I'm this dude with armor. Okay, now let's go to bed. And then, right now, some things are just watching us. Okay, now we just woke up. Okay, time to go cut some wood. Dang it. After this, we're gonna have to do some things. We're gonna have to, it's gonna probably be a long video. So right now, I'm just gonna cut some wood and get an axe. I probably said that a billion times. So, let's go back to our little house that's not even built, but it's actually nice. Okay, let's get doing that. And now we need a door, but I was planning on getting an axe. Now let's get a door. So then the floor will be that color. So now let's go cut some trees. Leave it down in the comments. What tree do you think is the best? Whatever color tree and oak tree. So now you just want to craft this. It's a nice video. Okay, what did I just put there? And I put the door there. Then we're gonna put that. Now this should just fill up the whole entire area. Now I just have one more block. So now I'm just gonna have to put that there. Oak tree, kind of tree. Leave it down in the comments what tree that you love. I mean, like, to build houses. There's tons of trees. Just tell me what kind of material that you like to use to build houses. Some of you I like to use wood and cobblestone. That's it. So, if you guys like to do that, it's fine. But after we're done building our house, this is probably gonna be a short video, but I'm just gonna have to let it be like that because there's nothing I can do about it. So in the next video, the house will be finished. So we're not done. When the house is done, then it been, I don't know. Ooh, we got an apple. Now, ooh, we got some colorful things. Like, what am I doing? Okay, let's go to this tree. Let's kill some dogs. I know they don't like that. And then they don't like when they do it to their other family. Like, if you... Stop. So, now let's get started with the video. Video. Guys, when I look at my inventory, it looks like this. We got a map, raw beef, spider eye, gunpowder, okay, I'm sorry for that. Everybody keeps opening my door and I don't like it. So I'm gonna have to keep like running back and forth. And if you hear any talking about anything like that, it's fine with me because they're just my auntie and my mom and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna have to. You guys are just gonna have to. So after the third layer, I'm gonna have to end this video. Okay? Then we'll finish the house next time. Okay? Dang it, I need some more wood. After this, guys, you guys are gonna have to do some. I'm gonna have to do. Should I get another shape so I can? Let's get one more of that. Right, how much do I need? 4 more. I'm just gonna get 8 just in case, because I might need it for the another episode of Minecraft. Next time we're gonna be in creative to let you guys know to build the rest of the house and to just put it there. There we go. Bye guys, subscribe, and I hope you have a nice week off now. Happy summer, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe. Bye. Wait, let me just tell you guys something. If you guys ever have something bad to deal with, just look it up, okay? Bye guys, see you later. Subscribe and have a great day. Bye.